Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you what Cartridge does the Pro-Ject T1 EVO turntable come with. This device comes with a pre-adjusted, which means you don't need to adjust it later, Ortofon OM10 cartridge, which is a very good one for the price range of this turntable, and it gives you a really good quality and really good precision. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.